Hey guys, this is George from Brand North, creating a little video and blog series here just to help local business owners. I know that times are crazy right now. Everybody's on quarantine, everyone's on lockdown, and this is something that business owners haven't dealt with before. I haven't dealt with it either, but I do, have experience working remotely, dealing with remote employees, and a lot of experience with marketing and how to communicate and develop more meaningful relationships with your customers. So I'm just going to be sharing some tips and tricks that have helped me out, and hopefully they'll help you. So there's a couple different things that we're going to detail. One, we're going to show you how to just very easily in 2 minutes create a banner on your website that is a notice to any of your customers that come to your website about what your policies and procedures are for COVID-19. Secondly, we're going to show you how to create very simple drag and drop graphics that look really professional. We're doing that because guess what, guys? Everybody's at home right now. Everybody's online. They're on social media. If this is something you've never done before, this is a really easy way to do it. The fact of the matter is that you're going to have to learn to communicate with your customers in a different way, and that's probably going to be the case moving forward also. And people respond very well to picture and video. Engagement rates are higher, so we're just going to show you how to do that really quickly. If you want to create something and you'll be able to post it on any social media platform, and just let your customers know if you're open, if you're not open, or when you're going to be opening again. Next, we give a detailed explanation of how to use Zoom, Slack, Skype, different project management tools. This might make it a little bit easier for you to communicate with your employees and also communicate with your customers when you have to be at home. And this is something you're just going to have to get used to. It's not going to be fun if you've been operating the same way for the last 30 years, but it is very simple. It might take a couple tries and a little bit of practice, but the main thing is the way that you implement it, and we give you our procedures and how we do that here. So we hope that that will be helpful. And lastly, we collected a lot of information and detailed everything about the financial relief packages that are out to business owners right now. I got help from my accountant, and she put this together, as well as many other financial analysts and accountants that dissected this entire CARES Act. So I hope that this will be really helpful for you. If you have any questions about how to implement any of this, please feel free to contact us, and we'll be right there to help you.